Hey everybody, this is Xzoom, 772X, coming at you with the latest and greatest. I went to Radio Shack today and got this adapter to use with my tablet. You can go to Radio Shack, you buy this adapter there, ask them if you want an adapter for your tablet for the HDMI, because this has mini HDMI adapter. There's two different ones. This is just like a smaller one, and like if you had like the Toshiba Thrive, it has a bigger HDMI port just to put a normal one in, which I've had that towel a long time ago, which I don't have anymore. I sold it. And then there's two different ones for just adapter wise. If you have the Toshiba Thrive, you can just put this thing in the 10-inch. I don't know about the 7-inch one, but the 10-inch, 10.1-inch screen, you can just take the HDMI cord and put it in. It has a full HDMI port on it, on that tablet. But if you have like a 7-inch tablet or whatever with a mini HDMI adapter that you need to buy for the HDMI port, this is the Hisense 07 Pro. These only sell at Walmart. This is the expensive one, and then there's the lower, non-expensive one. That's only $99. The Hisense 07 Lite. This is a lot better. See if I can focus it. It's got 1280 by 800 IPS. This quad-core processor, 5 megapixel. Additive touch 7.0 screen. And 1280 by 800 HD IPS. It's got dual band, loudspeakers on it, really good speakers. 4,000 milliamp battery. It's a little less than my BlackBerry Playbook. That Playbook has 5,300, which I'm charging right now. This is my BlackBerry Playbook. That was my headset to my Xbox. I hope you didn't hear that. Looks nice, huh? This is my BlackBook. My bad. This is my BlackBerry Playbook tablet. I'll show you the box. $64 gig. It's expensive. I'm not really here talking about tablets. Just here to show you about the HDMI adapter. This is how much I spent on it. This is how much it is at Radio Shack. Total is $11.70. If you decide to go to Radio Shack, get this adapter, tell them you need an adapter. If you have the mini HDMI, there's two different ones you can buy. See, that's the HDMI port for this, the BlackBerry. So that's a smaller one, and then this is the fuller one. And I'll show you how you do this. See, this is the smaller part, the adapter part for this tablet. It just goes in right, and then you can buy a smaller one, a little smaller one that can go in here, and that's the HDMI output too. I mean input or output, whatever the hell it is. And all I do is this: take my HDMI cord from my TV, put it in here. Now, let me put the phone down real quick because I can't really do this. You gotta be careful, you don't want to break it. Alright. Push hard and make sure it's in there good. And there we go. Look, see? On the tablet. I got a long HDMI cord from my room, so I can have more feet. And you just put it to your TV, you know? It's a nice chair, see? You got yourself a big monitor now. Sorry if the quality ain't that great. I'm using my phone, but this is Xzoom, just showing you how to use the adapter. There's two different adapters you can get at Radio Shack. One for this is the micro mini HDMI. Put to get adapter for, and this is just the HDMI mini HDMI, not micro. I don't know. But just tell them like there's two different ones. So make sure you go in the store, take your tablet in the store, and tell them so you can get the right one, and he'll fit it in. But that's the way it came in. I ain't gonna show right, but this is Xzoom Subsym 2X. As I told you, I come out with the latest and greatest. I'll come out some more videos. Check out all my other videos of tablets, gadgets, whatever, of my headphones, stuff like that. Like, subscribe, decision, or whatever you want me to come out with next. This is Xzoom Subsym 2X. Some of my videos could be in my Sean Lee section, so check that out too. My Sean Lee section is on my Xzoom account, so check out all my videos or whatever. Subscribe and like. And this is Xzoom Subsym 2X, showing you the adapter you can get for your tablet to go to your TV and do whatever you like. Play games or whatever. Watch stuff. Catch you all later. Bye.